Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use ManyChat to send automatic booking confirmations by connecting it with a free scheduling tool in 2025. This is perfect if you run events, webinars, or appointments and want customers to instantly receive confirmation. Step 1. Log into your ManyChat account and go to Automation. Step 2. Click Automate with AI. Step 3. In the AI prompt, type something like create a booking confirmation flow that triggers after someone schedules through my booking link. Confirm their booking, restate the date and time, and thank them. Step 4. ManyChat will generate the flow automatically. The message can include dynamic fields like the person's name, the booked service, and the scheduled time if your scheduling tool passes that info. Step 5. Connect your scheduling tools such as Calendly or Google Calendar using ManyChat integrations or Zapier. This way, when someone books, it triggers the confirmation message inside Messenger, Instagram, or WhatsApp. Step 6. Test the flow by booking a slot through your scheduling link. You should instantly receive an automatic confirmation message after booking. Step 7. Customize the flow by adding a reminder message, a follow-up survey, or a cancel and reschedule option if needed. And that is it. You now have a fully automated booking confirmation system inside ManyChat for 2025. This saves you time and gives customers a smooth experience.